And you know si mtoto kawaida.
Someone should speak for these children.
The institution which was here from the beginning is the primary school. And along the way, it was thought that the deaf are disadvantaged, so they need a vocational training. And the reason for beginning this vocational training was to help the deaf. But now, I think it was done in a way that it integrated the community. But it is to a larger disadvantage of the deaf now, because the deaf who are here are few. The others are many.
This land belongs to Kapsabet School for the Deaf Primary. That's the title deed. It reads Kapsabet School for the Deaf Primary. So if there is any gate that has been to be put by the Kapsabet Youth Polytechnic, they should have consulted us. But they just come one morning, they just put down the fence together with these rambles you can see here. This was a toilet, they have brought it down. And now they have made our children who are already vulnerable to be vulnerable. They are so more vulnerable. It's very wrong. I'm appealing to whoever must hear us to give the security to these children.